Creality Pi filament dryer is better than you think. If you're watching this video, you're probably considering to make a purchase, or you already purchased it and want to confirm psychologically your purchase. I had the same problem, but after watching many videos, I wasn't really sure if this device is good enough. And I'm here to show you that I have this beautiful PET-G in the silver color, and it was in vacuum bag, as you can see. It was completely sealed. We're gonna put it in the Creality Pi, close the lid. You probably watched these reviews who are focusing on the screen. The screen is really nice. It is not really responsive type of the screen, but it works. We're gonna choose PET-G. It is 60 degrees Celsius. People get confused with these readings. These current readings are really not that much important, especially humidity, and we want to focus on that. I'm gonna start drying. I'm gonna put, let's say, 5 hours, and we're gonna see the temperature rising here after some time, and we're gonna see the humidity change. Keep top lid closed, and for those people who think that they really need to put a lid like this to have a good drying, are wrong, because there is a hole here which is designed to let the moisture go out. So you really don't need to change anything, and I know that from my experience, and I'm gonna tell you something now. To get relatively accurate reading how much humid is something you put inside of your filament dryer, in this case Creality Pi, you want to wait for temperature to go to the set temperature, and at that point, and not immediately but after some time, you're gonna see the humidity reading, which is relatively accurate to in what state is filament inside of your Creality Pi. For the sake of this video, I did put a temperature probe inside of Creality Pi to compare the reading of the temperature. I did put it here so it is not too close to heating element and not too far away from the sensors, so somewhere in the middle. After a relatively short time, this is the situation. Set temperature is 60 degrees, internal sensor reading is 60-61 Celsius. We have a humidity of 15, and you're gonna say now that is not correct. Well, let me show you something. I'm gonna open the lid, take out the filament, and put inside this used filament which was not sealed. Now after some time, we're gonna see the humidity rising. I'm gonna wait for that. I'm having problem to showcase you what I want to show you, because all my filament is really dry, and that is because a room where I am is like 27% humidity, which is really low. So what I did is I took this TPU filament, which is quite how to say, moist by itself. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna change to TPU. That is like 55 degrees. I managed to replicate what I want to show you. Now we have a 22% humidity. I did put a TPU filament, which is known to absorb moisture from the air really easy. But the main problem, or better to say benefit, where I live is the relative humidity is quite low. I am 36%, and I'm literally underground in the basement, where the humidity is usually higher. So we have 23% right now, and it is not just a TPU inside. We have a silica gel. It is red, as you can see, and it needs to be blue when completely dry. Because I wanted to show you this test, I did put it inside with TPU, so you can see now that humidity is gonna rise up slowly. because it is reading a humidity from these things inside. And when the humidity drops to 14, 15, you know that everything inside is completely dry. And that needs to be your measuring cup to determine when something is dry and ready to use. And I'm super happy with Creality Pi. The design is superb, the screen is quite nice, you have preset options, it is quite easy to navigate. Personally, I would prefer to have normal buttons and the screen like this, but hey, it is probably cheaper to make it like this.